The City Building Kit for Unity is the first of its kind to allow people to construct their own games like Clash of Clans. The Strategy Kit includes everything you need, and what you see in this demo right now is entirely customizable, from graphics to the scripts. We've included the full source code. What you see first here is a walkthrough. The walkthrough is controlled, again, in the source code, which you can edit. And the demonstration first walks users when they play your game to purchasing extra resources. You can purchase builders, gems, gold, and liquids. We have 2 different currencies. Units are also included in this game for battles, which you can keep track of which ones you have in that corner there. We include options such as sound and saving and loading, local saves on the device itself, or server saves, which is important for online gameplay against other players. We include a shops menu, completely customizable with buildings and creatures. And once they've built their own city and also their own list of armies, they can find a match in the competitions, which connects online to battle other players. But what we're going to do first here is we're going to drop down a way to generate liquid currency called mana in this game, and also the storage chamber, which for this liquid currency. You'll notice an error message happens if they try to build more buildings at one time than builders. So we're going to buy one more builder there, and then drop down that building again, and you'll see that now it'll let us build 2 buildings at once. We can accelerate both of these constructions by clicking the button, and once done, each of these units produces the liquid currency, as you'll see counting up in the right-hand corner there. We can also move around the buildings afterwards. On the Creatures tab in the shop, this is where users can build their army for battle. All of these units are replaceable. We've included a few of these samples for you. You can increase the time to 0 seconds, instantly creating your army by pressing the Finish Now button. Back in the shop menu, we're going to add a few more items here, and then accelerate with the Finish Now. It's about time to go to battle. It'll cost a certain amount of gold to go to battle, so we'll select all our units and then contact the server right now. What the game does is it loads a competition map from online. This is another player's base. And we're going to zoom out automatically, as you see in the walkthrough here, for the first player's experience. What it'll do next is it'll teach the player exactly how they can drop units. The important distinction of how we've improved strategy games is not only can you drop units and have them automatically attack like you see in games such as Clash of Clans, but we also allow the units to control, or the players to control up to 4 different groups of units, which you'll see on the left-hand side there. This improves the ability for awesome gameplay. Not only can you attack a building automatically, but you can convert all your units into 4 different groups to attack 4 different buildings at once, or attack the same building, basically improving the ability for strategic gameplay. And every building you destroy gives you resources. So what we're going to do here is we're going to deploy 2 separate groups on the corner maps, which are the little dots around the map. You'll see particle effects happen as they're attacking the building, and you'll also see the buildings defending itself, killing their characters, which then turn into gravestones. In the right corner there's an option for settings and exiting. That's how you can exit the battle early if you don't want to finish playing through. We've extended the demo to allow an unlimited battle time so that you can see the full playthrough of how items and attacks going. In this case, we're going to drop down 2 more groups. Now we have 4 groups. We're going to close the menu, zoom in closer, and you can see the resources increasing, the gold resources right now. And we're going to tell all our groups to attack the building in the top right. You'll notice the ones in the bottom left stop attacking and move up to the top. Once the building is destroyed though, they automatically go around to the closest buildings to attack. Again, the important distinction of what our kit allows is complex strategy games. You can control all 4 of the groups now to go and destroy any building. The buildings automatically attack characters, and an interesting feature that we added in to that structure, which of course, as we'll say again, everything is customizable in this game. All the scripts and all the full source code is included to edit all of these items. And the character demo you see right now with these characters walking around is just one character animation that we've included. You can replace your own and create your own gameplay. For example, Star Wars games or underwater games. What you'll notice is, just right now, the building was shooting, but because of movements of characters, the buildings themselves don't actually aim the character perfectly. You'll notice the defense actually slowly transitions around as the characters are moving, which adds an extra element of complexity into the gameplay. We didn't want to make this too simple. We wanted to make a kit that is as complex as games like Clash of Clans, but with a little bit extra special surprise in them that you can use. You can disable any of these features in the game and add your own and improve your own. And again, everything is customizable. Hundreds of hours have gone into producing this kit and producing the complexities that you see here. All the small features such as the artificial intelligence, the buildings destroying the game kit itself, everything is impressively done in one kit that works, and we've tested all the features. Once the mission is complete, the amount of gold resources the building destroys and the units they've lost or recovered, which again is an important feature, are shown when we upload the data online to the server and then download their data and sync it with the local copy. This is our server sync feature that we've customized, which again, the sources are included in our highest package kit. So from here, we can go back into the buildings menu and purchase more expensive buildings because now we've gained more loot, or generate more army members for an extra battle. In the top left-hand corner, a feature I haven't mentioned yet is the development controls. These controls are for when playing through Unity when testing on a PC. We've included them to where you can navigate around inside Unity, but testing on your mobile device is the best way to experience the full gameplay. And within 60 seconds, you can be playing this exact sample that you're watching right now. We've included everything from this demo video inside the package kit, which you'll get. We offer 3 different packages, one of them being just a city builder, and the highest package being city builder with the strategy kits and the online server gameplay.